This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is physics homework number 11, question number 1. It says, once a 19-kilogram crate is in motion on a horizontal floor, a horizontal force of 62 newtons keeps the crate moving with a constant velocity. The acceleration of gravity is 9.81. What is the mu k, the coefficient of kinetic friction between the crate and the floor? So I have myself a crate. I know that it's got a push force on it, and I'm pushing with 62 newtons. That's my 62 newtons. It's moving with a constant velocity. Well, my other forces are gravity down. I know I've got a normal force pointing up. I know I've got something pointing backwards. In this case, it is friction. And since it's moving in motion, it's going to be kinetic friction. Now, if it's moving with a constant velocity, that tells me that forces are balanced. If forces are balanced, that means up equals down, so normal will equal gravity, and the friction will equal the push force. So that tells me right there that the force of friction is 62 newtons, because the friction force equals the push force. I'm looking for the coefficient of kinetic friction. Well, the coefficient of friction, kinetic friction, will be the force of friction divided by the normal force. In this case, it'll be the kinetic friction divided by the normal force. Well, I know the force of friction, so I need to know the normal force. Well, since up equals down, because it's moving at a constant velocity as well, my normal force must equal my gravitational force. So my normal force equals my gravitational force equals the mass of the box times the acceleration of gravity. So that's going to be my gravitational force mass is 19 kilograms for me. That's what it tells me right here, a 19-kilogram crate, times my acceleration of gravity, which is 9.81 meters per second squared, and that's going to give me, about 190 newtons, just a little bit less. So whatever that is my normal force. So now I'm going to have my force of friction, which is 62, over my normal force, which I just figured out here, and that will give me my coefficient of friction. Now it's possible that this number, now this is going to be less than 1, but sometimes you will get a coefficient of friction greater than 1 in these problems. Don't freak out. It's just the way that the University of Texas picked numbers.